Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Wouldn't it be great if you could have comfort, style, and storage all in one? Well, guess what? You can with this incredible couch by Belffin.
This is Belffin's convertible modular sectional, and I'm totally obsessed. First of all, the way it came to us was really well packaged and protected, and it was so simple to put together. Even getting the pieces to fit together is really simple. They interlock into place, but it's totally customizable. So if you want to create a different shape with this couch, you are so easily able to do that. But what's really amazing is that once you lock the pieces together, they are in place. So they're not going to move around on you. So simple to set up. We had this couch ready to go in no time. The cushions are soft. It even has a reclining option on the back, which is amazing. And the fabric itself is such fantastic quality and really, really soft. We have it here in this pretty light gray color. The armrests are wide enough that you're actually able to comfortably relax on them. And I am just so in love with how comfortable this couch is. But the best part is that every single seat is storage. So it has maximized our storage in our living room and helped me to stay organized. Now, if somebody wants a blanket, it's right in the seat underneath them. So whether I'm lounging on this or taking a nap or just sitting normally, this couch is so comfy. I am so happy with the quality of this couch, and I love how versatile it is and that we're able to switch it up if we want to, depending on the need that we have in our space.
We are so happy with this couch. We love the extra storage. We think it looks gorgeous and it is so comfy for the whole family. We think that you will love it too, but that's just our point of view.